Hello, it's Ben at Fidelity Designs Limited here. Wanted to show you a new subplatter and bearing sleeve design for Rega turntables. It's suitable for turntables that use the standard 18mm sleeve secured by a nut and washer, so it can't be used on the newer models. This design, it's a low centre of gravity design with a flywheel effect. So if we look at the sleeve, it's the alloy type sleeve, two liners top and bottom made of Delrin with a peak thrust plate at the bottom. You can see that the shoulder of the sleeve is raised, so when this is inserted into the plinth, the shoulder of the sleeve will protrude, and that's because when we put it on the subplatter, you can hopefully see that raised portion of the sleeve runs within the body of the subplatter. So we've got the weight concentrated around the periphery, like the platter designs that I do, and this enables the flywheel effect, so which helps regulate the speed of the turntable. We've got a 5mm longer shaft with the silicone ball embedded on the tip of the shaft, and this gives more stability to the subplatter when it's running, and also allows more lubrications to remain in the sleeve, because there's an oil gap between the two Delrin liners, and that enables the sleeve to hold a larger amount of oil than the standard design. And also the dual liners, there's less contact with the sleeve, just at the top and the bottom, although there's never any contact when it's running, because the oil gap between the shaft and the liners means that when the subplatter's turning, it doesn't make contact. The only point of contact is the ball touching the peak thrust plate at the bottom. If you look at the upper surface, it just looks like a standard subplatter, really. You've just got the raised lip for around the periphery for the subplatter. That's the only place where the platter makes contact is on this raised lip, and you've got centre boss, and it will fit any Rega platter that's available. And it's, you know, simple enough to make your own plinth, to make your own unique Rega based turntable. So just wanted to show you that. I mean, this design was available for the RP6, but now it's available in the standard 12mm height platter, so that can be used on a wide range of Rega turntables where people want to upgrade to the highest specification possible. Okay, more videos soon.